Hello everyone, it's Matt here from Carwow. So I've got a bit of an unusual drag race. I've got 4 capable off-roaders, but we're not going off-road, we're going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm in a Land Rover Discovery. Next to me is a Toyota Land Cruiser. Next to that is a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. And next to that is a VW Amarok. I've got a 2-litre diesel engine with 240 horsepower and 430 newton meters of torque. The Toyota Land Cruiser has a 2.8-litre diesel engine with 177 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque. The Jeep Wrangler Rubicon has a 2.2-litre diesel engine with 200 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque. And that VW Amarok, it's got a 3-litre V6 with 258 horsepower and 580 newton meters. Let's see what happens. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Now before we race, I'd like you to see if you can guess which car's going to win. Just click up there to cast your vote. I personally have no idea. Don't cheat though, don't watch the race then fill it in. That's pointless, all right? I'm trusting you. Oh my gosh, that Land Cruiser is off quick! Come on, Land Rover! Oh no, look, V6 power. But it's a mighty, mighty car, that Amarok. Can I reel it in? No, he's pulling ahead. What is going on between the Land Cruiser and the Rubicon? I think the Land Cruiser got absolutely destroyed. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Volkswagen won, completing the standard quarter mile in 16.5 seconds. The Land Rover came second with a time of 17.2 seconds. Third place went to the Jeep, which crossed the line in 18.1 seconds. And despite a good start, the poor old Toyota came last with a time of 19.3 seconds. Oh. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, roll into normal drive, comfort mode. I'm going to count it in and then we're going to go. 3, 2, 1, floor it. Oh, it took a while to kick down. Ahead at first, but then the Amarok once again pulling away. V6 power, damn. They should have given us the 4-cylinder car, but there we go, it's all done. Once again, Land Cruiser is dropped. Finally, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. We're going to see what happens. All these cars weigh about the same, between 2.1 and 2.2 tons. Anyway, here comes the line. Brake! Oh! Oh! No way! That is another win for the Amarok. Just destroyed everyone, and I can't blame its 3-litre V6 engine for that now, can I? I think the Jeep was second, just beat this Discovery, but the loser was the Land Cruiser in every way, shape or form. In fact, watching it brake was really fun. It was kind of like bucking under braking. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a little bit of fun. Looks like V6 power won, and also won in terms of braking. Well done, VW.